how to blur the background on your phone in your videos, not just pictures. A lot of us are using our phone to film interviews, for social media, and so on. And a lot of times we have very busy backgrounds, just like that. If you don't have expensive equipment like me, you cannot blur this with using just the usual camera on your phone. If you have the newer phone, younger than 5 years, you're going to have this feature. Android phones, Google phones, it's called the portrait mode, but in a video. Because portrait mode on iPhone is pictures. I'm gonna refer it to as cinematic mode because this is what it's called on iPhone. Keep in mind that there's a difference between expensive lens and expensive video camera and your phone. Okay, so the lens looks like this, right? And the lens on the DSLR or mirrorless looks like this, and you cannot compare it. So of course, any blur, because you need a good lens for the actual blur, it's going to be digital on your phone. If you're looking for a perfect look and professional look, you can pull it off with enough light, but it's still not going to look like Netflix documentary, if you know what I mean. So you go to the camera and you go to cinematic mode. I'm gonna point it at myself. And you can see everything in my background is blurred. Simple as that. I have a nice natural light shining on me, so if you don't have great lighting, the blur is gonna look a little bit less professional and kind of like more eh. All right, so now I can record and it's like, okay, it's busy behind me, but now this looks good. And I'm happy with that. Now, depending on the phone, but you should have that option, it's called the aperture. If you change the aperture, so in this case, I have it on top right corner. I go to the aperture, it's basically the amount of blur if I'm completely explaining this for beginners. So the aperture is the amount of blur. The lower the number, the more blur. Watch this. So behind, I'm going to go 2.0. Ooh, look at that blur. Can you see that? And then I'm gonna go high. Oh, there's no blur. Oh, go figure. Oh, right. So I'm gonna go 2.0. So I'm happy with that. Do not forget, and I don't know why my iPhone 14 had it in the middle, kind of in the middle, so it was 4.5, which is not great. iPhone 13, by default, it had 2.0 aperture, so that was much blurred, right? But this is like in the middle, and I don't know why. This should go to 2.0 by default because it's the best. There's one thing that you should keep in mind, and that is if you have multiple interviews. So for example, you go into your office and everywhere is like busy background and you want to blur everything. But then you record 3 interviews and the background is blurred because you use cinematic mode, you know, it looks great. And then you find a place which is not busy in the background, so you think, oh, maybe I don't have to use cinematic mode anymore for this interview because the background looks really nice. I wouldn't do that because if you put it in the same video, right? So it's like, oh, the marketing manager, Jane, says this. Oh, this is the admin. This is the CEO. You want the consistency throughout this kind of video, right? So if one interview has blurred background, it would be really good if all the interviews had blurred background in the same video. You can have different backgrounds, that's fine. But it doesn't look good if you have the background which is completely sharp, no blur, and then you cut to another interview and the background is like so blurred. It's kind of like, its consistency is not great. The video doesn't flow. So just keep that in mind. If you're doing one video, even if it doesn't need the blur in the end for some parts. If you want to improve your videos because you feel like they're not doing good, they could do better, but you don't know where's the problem, send them to me and I give you the expertise. I tell you exactly what's working, what's not working, why, what to do about it, strategy, content ideas for the future, equipment advice. This can be social media overall, this can be specific video, podcast, whatever audio video. If you want to know more about this, check out the link in the description of this video.